absolutely love here, you get practicing artists who aren't afraid to talk to you and give you tuition.
They're all really different, very different approaches. Very interesting also seeing what work they do and what they bring to the teaching from their work.
One of my favourite tools is actually a Stanley knife blade.
That's it, that's nice. You see what I mean? It will sit in the trenches.
It's good, it keeps things fresh, it keeps things lively, keeps you focused, keeps the energy very high and maybe makes you more adventurous than you would otherwise be.
I wanted something to free me up a bit because my painting's quite meticulous.
That's good, you've mixed some of the colour from the sky into the sea here, but there's a great energy about it.
I wanted to break out of my normal routine. It's a nice workshop experience.
Because they're all practicing artists, they bring their own style, their own approach.
They bring in the thing that they like to do, the thing that they have perfected.
And I find that incredibly stimulating.